I watch NASCAR like most people in North do. I watch the beginning.
Like I've never really seen because like he has that one.
Then when the last 50 laps come out, I wake up. And hope it's a good race.
Hope there's a crash.
I found this on somebody's desk here. And these, this is sitting around the office, and I got 4 cans of this. It's called Poppi soda, and it's pop cultured facts. No one wants to drink, want basic drink. So make every hour happy with this bubbly, better for you prebiotic soda that keeps your gut happy and gives your bod a boost. Downright delicious with 5 G's of sugar or less. These bubbles with benefits will be your new BFF. So this is Poppi soda. They have a couple different varieties. This is orange, you know, for a healthy gut. Be gut happy, be gut healthy. Well, we'll see if this Poppi soda is popular or poo-poo. Boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Ooh, ooh, ah, 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 ah. You know, I have never, and I do mean never, seen anyone fuck up orange soda. Congratulations, Poppi. You have fucked up orange soda. This fucking sucks.
What does it taste like?
It's sour. It tastes like they put fucking vinegar in it. They put fucking vinegar in this goddamn motherfucker?
Check.
My fucking god, they put fucking vinegar in this motherfucker. Yeah, they put fucking vinegar in here. Right here, it says right here. Apple motherfucking cider vinegar. 3.4.
You got a great.